Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing some Roblox. Today we're gonna be playing some Roblox. We're gonna be playing Roblox Flood Escape too.
Avengers! Doctor Strange. Kang the Conqueror. I'm Spider-Man.
I'm Spider-Man.
I'm Spider-Man. Just kidding.
We're gonna be playing Roblox Flood Escape, guys. Spectating some people. All the people who still survive. These are all the people who still survive. I'm gonna play on with my brothers in a couple hours, and they're gonna come. Oh, we need somebody to press that button. Somebody go press the button. That mine's still working. Stop biting me. You made me die on this game. Stop! It tickles now. Oh. I'm talking about what I just did. Like, why I just yes. Guys, I died because my brother was biting me on the shoulder. No, I'm right here. I'll be here by myself. I need to go here with everybody else. Guys, we survived that, but we need somebody to go press a button so we can open this door. Thank you for telling me this jumped on my head. Gotta get it in here. But I'm level 2. That's a guy over there. My brother's playing an Xbox right now. Hey! Was it you? Yes. Wow. It's great to record this. It records your voice. So when we're playing videos, we're all gonna have it. I'm trying to be like I'm the smallest. Taylor is actually younger than Ayazi is younger than all of us. No, I want to be Ayazi. Oh, CJ's lucky he gets to be after me. No, I don't want to be Taylor. I'm not Taylor, I'm being somebody else.
You Jones. No, you Taylor. No, Steven.
Yes, and I'm Ayazi.
Yeah, you
Yes. No, I'm already the bastard daddy. No. No, you don't even have a YouTube channel, so what you talking about? So you're a Kaylin, I'm Ayazi.
Jones then.
Joan has game. I died! Oh my gosh, because I wasn't paying attention this whole time. What happened?
You. Get your ugly self ugly.
Is he trying to escape you? Why?
Get him, Deshaun. Show who's boss.
Why are you in slow motion?
How do you do so much?
Press X. Slow motion is X, because I played that game last time. Oh wait,
Why is he waiting for you?
no! Deshaun doesn't know that guy at all, right?
I'm at the slow X in slow motion.
Yes.